Hello TY, how are you? I hope you all are well in this COVID-19 situation. Take care of yourself and unnecessary don't go outside from your home. Okay. In last lecture, last session, we introduced the PHP, the basic fundamental things of PHP. What is the importance of PHP? Why to use PHP? And what are the tools required of the PHP? Now, students, let me throw some lights on some basic points which are very important after completion of your bachelor degree or master degree. When you join the any particular company, the company interviewer definitely asks this question. And that question is what? What is open source technology? What is open source technology? Open source technology means what? The technology will give you the freely support. I mean, no need to buy license for that technology, right? Then what are the non-open source technology? Non-open source technology, the best example is ASP.NET. ASP.NET is product by Microsoft. Whenever the company want to work with ASP.NET, the company must buy the license for .NET framework, database framework license. So that's why PHP is, when you work with the PHP, no need to buy a license. You can freely download it from www.php.net website. Okay. Now, second point is platform independent. What is platform independent? Platform independent means what? The technologies or application can run on any of platform, whether it is on Windows, whether it is on Linux. Okay, so that is called platform independent. Now, previously we worked with WD, or you can say HTML. Whenever you work with web designing or HTML, you can create a static page. Like maximum you can design a template. Yes, when you design a template, it is in form of static. But when you use a particular technology like PHP, the website will become a dynamic. Why they dynamic? Just because the content will load from database. Yes, so that's why PHP technology give you the support of dynamic. Now, without server, it's not possible to serve the PHP code. What are the server? When you use a pure Microsoft or Windows platform, at that time you have to use which server? IIS, Internet Information Server. When you work with PHP or Linux, which server will use? Apache, or you can say Tomcat. Generally, the when company work with the PHP technology, they are use one package. Which package? WAMP package. What is the full form of WAMP? Windows, Apache, MySQL database, and PHP technology. So this is reserved for Windows. When your operating system is Linux, at that time, if you want to work with PHP, then which package will help you? LAMP, L-A-M-P, LAMP. Linux, Apache server, MySQL database, PHP technology. Is it okay? Fine. Let's move ahead. WAMP is a third-party package tool. When you installed it, no need to manually install PHP, Apache server or MySQL database because it's a package of all the technology. Okay. Now let's move ahead. Here, how to start write the code in PHP. So in HTML, there are two types of tag, open tag and close tag. Yes, for example, if you want to work with the p tag, paragraph tag, you have to write open p tag and close tag. In that, you have to write the HTML content. In the same way, if you want to perform a PHP code, then you need to write PHP open tag and PHP close tag. For that, you have to write first less than sign, question mark, and PHP. Then after the new line, you can write syntax of PHP, and when you complete the PHP code, you have to close PHP tag with question mark and greater than sign. With the continue of this session, I will show you how to perform PHP code. Okay? Hello TY. Let's continue with the practical. Now in practical, I told you that you have to install two different application, that is this WAMP server, this one WAMP server, and this one Macromedia Dreamweaver 8. Okay. Now first of all, whenever you start your PC and when you want to work with the PHP, at that time you have to start WAMP server. Now how to start WAMP server? See, just double click on this WAMP server. It will ask to ask the permission to you. You want to run this, then just click on this button, yes. When you click yes, at that time, see over here in status bar, this one, once half circle will appear, just click on the single left click. It will display the list of options that is given by this WAMP server 2.0. Is it okay everyone? Okay. Now when this half circle will open, then only it will identify that your WAMP server is start now. But if it is not working condition, that means what? Your PHP code will not work. Is it okay? Now obviously, let's start with Dreamweaver. Start with the Dreamweaver. When you double click on this Dreamweaver application editor, it will open like this. This is what the interface of Macromedia Dreamweaver. Now just focus on this first column, second column and third column. First column is describe the recent open file, okay, and here this is what the main column. Second one, create new, what you want to write the code for, PHP, HTML, ASP.NET with C#, JavaScript, or for what. So simply we have to click on PHP. When you click on the PHP option, see this code section will appear and auto generate HTML is there. Now as I described earlier about how to write PHP code, the simple you can write anywhere else. Like for example, I would like to write some PHP code inside the body tag. So less than sign, question mark sign, then PHP. Okay, see the color is changed. It will convert into red color. Now just give some line spacing and close the PHP tag with question mark and greater than sign. See, again it become a red color. Now you can write anything for the PHP syntax and execute it. Okay, we will definitely describe how to write the PHP code. Okay, but the thing is what? Okay, let me explain first of all the main fundamental thing in every technology, that is how to print the statement. As from the beginning of your BCA, whenever you perform the program, first program must be in hello world. Yes, in the same way we also write the code hello world. So now there are three different functions for print the statement. First is print, simple print. Second is echo. Okay, likewise echo, 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 and leave one space, double quote open, write hello world, and double quote over semicolon. Okay, now this is how you can write the PHP code inside the open and close of PHP tag. Now you can also write print function. See on the code section, we are the same. I'm going to copy it, Ctrl C and Ctrl V, and then end with semicolon. I will definitely explain some of the rules and regulations for how to write the PHP code, but just concentrate over here, focus over here. You can write echo and print something, you can use print and print something, and third is print underscore r. Okay, print underscore r, round bracket open, round bracket close, semicolon. Within the round bracket you can mention the array. That means what? If you want to print an array, you have to use print underscore r. Okay,